host name is going to be localhost. The username by default for MAP is root and root. The database name is my new website. Okay, and when you get done with your site, I'm going to do another video on exporting it to a server, but you're going to have to change the default configuration.php file, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. So click next. All right, it went and checked to make sure. I'd leave this blank because I use FileZilla to upload my site. I don't use the built-in FTP server. All right, your site name is going to be my new website, or it can be whatever you want. My email is going to be matt@mediatrick.net, and my password. Okay, and then one important thing on this page here, you need to install sample data. So go ahead and click that. Sample data installed successfully, and basically that's going to build all your tables inside the server for Joomla and give you your default site. So go ahead and click next. All right, this is real important. Remember to remove the installation directory. So we're going to go back to applications, and then we're going to go back to map, look in the HT docs folder. We're going to go to my new website and the installation folder. We're just going to move that to the trash or delete it, however, on Windows. Okay, so that's done. Now we can go to our site. Okay, so here's the default site. If you want to log into that site from the administration page, it's administrator. And click enter or return. Oh, I spelled administrator wrong. Sorry, folks. Technical difficulties. All right, and that's going to bring you back here, and then type in admin and your password and hit enter. Oh, I forgot. I have a bunch of different sites. All right. So I'm not going to go into all this stuff. You guys can find plenty of information. All right, so we've configured the server, the virtual server. We've got our Joomla installation. It's in the right folder. So now let's go to Dreamweaver and get that set up. So what we want to do is open Dreamweaver CS5. I already have mine open. And we're going to go to Site, New Site, and it's going to be called My New Website. All right, and inside Local Site folder, you want to click on the folder button and go to My New Site and open it, choose. All right, next thing you want to do is go to your servers. This little add button down here, add servers. Go to local network. The server name is my new website. And the server folder is going to be in the same one we just left. Just go back to map, HT docs, and my new website. Choose. And the URL is going to be localhost / my new website. Okay, so that's pretty easy. And then you want to select this box that says testing. Make sure that's selected. Click save. It's going to update the site cache and build the site. Give it a second here. I noticed that there's no tutorials on this on YouTube, so maybe I'll be the first one. Maybe not. Okay, so here's our new site over here. As you can see, my new site. And then let's go to the template folder because that's where you're going to do most of your editing. Oop, wrong folder. The templates. And I forget which one was default. We can check real fast. Let's go back to Template Manager. And it's the Rook Milky Way. So let's go back to Dreamweaver. Open up the Rook Milky Way. And we're going to go down to the index.php page, open her up. Okay, there it is. So we want to go, hey, I still have this plain old PHP stuff over here. I don't know where anything's laid out. And I got a bunch of code over here I got to deal with. So what you want to do is go, oh, wait, it just said, hey, this page might have dynamically related files that can only be discovered by the server. So we're going to click Discover. If that doesn't come up, just click the live view and the Discover will come up. Just click yes. So it's looking, it's working. Okay, so it should be loaded. So let's switch on live view. And this should have went to just the local host, my new website. Let's see what we get here. There it is.